everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this very soft and easy makeup look for daytime. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
The first and very important step is a sunscreen. So I'm using this Lineage water sunscreen, SPF 50 plus, and this sunscreen gives me a very subtle glow which is completely lovable, and it's water based, so it's not going to make my face oily at all. And whenever you're going out in daytime, please don't forget to apply sunscreen, because this is your savior. It's going to save your skin from all the sun damages. The primer, I have used this one, Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, on all over my face. This actually blurs out all the pores and all the bumps and textures your face has. So this is a very nice primer. Here I'm using Too Faced Born the Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. So this is like a very nice coverage foundation cum concealer, I would say, because I use it as a concealer as well as foundation. The coverage is pretty nice. Here I'm using the Swiss Beauty foundation brush, and I'm going to blend all my concealer cum foundation out. I'm using this brown shade. It's in powder form, and this is in pomade form, I guess. Yes, it's a pomade form. I have never ever used it, but today I'm going to use this one because I'm pretty much used to using this, and I have never used any brow pomade, so I don't know how it's going to look or how it's going to turn out. I'm just going to fill it up in a very decent manner. It's a bit tricky and difficult to apply this kajal because you guys can see how huge it is. So still I'll be trying my best to apply it properly. Here I am back after applying the kajal and smudging it out underneath my lower lash line, and I have applied a core of this mascara, Nykaa Like It Long Waterproof Mascara. It's pretty nice. It gives a very soft eyelash look. It adds a nice length and volume to your eyelashes. I think you're going to like this. If you like this, then you're definitely going to like the Colossal Mascara from Maybelline New York. If you are not a lash person like me, I personally do not like fake lashes, because my eyes are really small, and whenever I apply them, they make my eyes look smaller. So I prefer these kind of mascaras which gives a very subtle and soft volume and length as well. For my lips, I'm going to use these two products. One is a lip cream and another one is a lip tint. I'm going to just apply it over here on the middle portion of my lips because I am loving those ombre lips. I'll just try because I've never tried it before. The color is pretty light. Lips look glossy. I have used this Lineage lip slipping mask because this doesn't make my lips sticky, and it's pretty much hydrating, and the glossy effect you guys can just see. I'm just giving a closer view, and I have tried doing that ombre effect. So finally I have used this blush from Sugar Cosmetics, and I have used the same foundation brush to just like apply and spread it very nicely, because this brush is very fluffy and it spreads out the blush in a very proper way. That's why I've repeated this one. And the blush, you guys can see, I just applied a very little amount of it. So here comes the final look. I just tied my hair into a small bun and taken out a little bit of hair in front, and this is how it looks. This is a pretty perfect look if you are going out in the morning, like a day out. This is going to look very nice, and the dewy effect is completely love for me. So yes, this is it.
Here comes the final look. It turned out to be so pretty, and it was easy as well. So if you like this video, then do give a like and share your thoughts in your comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.